Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow on with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. April 21st, 2022. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will review letters and sounds. Next, we will share ideas about books and listen to others. Then, we will review the parts of a sentence. Last, we will storytell while drawing stories on paper. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, let's talk about the message. Oh, Rabbit, I see your foot is blocking part of the message. Let me scoot it over just a little bit here. Okay, let's go ahead and look back at today's date. Use your finger to point. Good readers who are learning how to read, use your finger to point underneath the word. Show me how you do that. Point with your finger and let's read the date again. April 21st, 2022. If you used your finger to point and knew that was the date, great job. Let's read the greeting. Dear class family, after the greeting, I see the first telling sentence. Think about it in your head as you reread it to yourself. What day of the week are we on today? Do you know? I heard some of you say it. Let's read the sentence again together. Today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at the next telling sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know, we learn a lot at school every day to pump our brains with knowledge. That's what students do when they go to school and they learn from teachers in many subjects. Look at this next sentence. I notice it starts with a transitional word first. Good writers can sequence their writing using transitional words and phrases. In this message, there are 4 transitional words. Did you notice them? Let's find them. First, next, then, last. Good writers can sequence their writing. In kindergarten, we're getting ready for first grade because in first grade, you will be writing with these transitional words. So we sequence our work with first, next, then, and last. Let's get ready for first grade. And as we're reading the message and discussing what we'll be doing in language arts today, let's go ahead and also notice those transitional words. First, we will review letters and sounds. Okay, just like we do every day in kindergarten, we'll be reviewing letters and sounds, starting with A, going all the way to Z. We look at those letters, sounds, the pictures that match those initial letters, and we do songs. So we'll be singing and dancing as we pump our brains with knowledge to review letters and sounds in kindergarten today. Next, we will share ideas about books and listen to others. Oh, we will, class family. That's what good readers do. They share their ideas about books and they listen to others. While you do that, remember, you're going to be a great communicator. I listen and ask questions so I can understand. In addition to that, you're going to be a wonderful collaborator. I respectfully listen to other points of view. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Then we will review the parts of a sentence. Oh, we will, and we'll be using resources like Jack Hartman's Parts of a Sentence video, and we're going to review the 4 parts of a sentence. Review with me. 1, starts with a capital letter. 2, tells a complete idea. 3, finger space between the words, and 4, a punctuation mark at the end. Now, remember, when we're reviewing the parts of a sentence, remember, good writers can make their writing easy to read. When you're doing that, and we said that you can start with a capital letter, good writers use capital letters to start sentences. We're learning about that in kindergarten. Did you notice that there's capital letters to start each sentence in the message? So good writers start with a capital letter. Remember, sentence tells a complete idea. It also has finger spaces between the words, so remember to leave those spaces between words. And you are going to write a letter for each sound. And at the end, a punctuation mark. So if you're telling sentences, you'll put a period at the end of every sentence. Now, if you have a question mark, then our question sentence, a question mark, or an exciting sentence, an exclamation mark, also called an exclamation point. And you're going to make your pictures that help with the words. This is what we'll be doing later during writing workshop. Last, we'll storytell while drawing stories on paper. When you storytell, make sure that you're drawing your pictures that are going to match the words that you're telling for your story. And we'll be using resources like paper and our alphabet chart, the word wall, and colored pencils, crayons, and also markers, all sorts of things to help us. All right, let's have a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up if you like this video. Later today, we're going to be doing some things with data using this question. Here is the picture, and the question is, do you like fruit? Well, do you? Think about what your answer is. And later today, we are going to be doing a T-chart with tally marks, sharing our reason why, and then taking that information and turning it into a bar graph during math. Do you like fruit?